Good morning everyone. Yes, so welcome to the second video of standard 5th EVS 1. In previous video, we studied about different planets, stars, dwarf planets. Yes. So in this video, we'll continue with next part of this topic, that is first is gravity. Before proceeding, we'll continue with gravity. Gravity, this is a new concept for you. Gravity is a new concept for all of you. Yes. So gravity means what? Suppose these are the two planets. Okay. They try to attract each other. They try to pull each other towards itself. Both try to pull each other towards itself. And that is the force of gravity. That is called as force of gravity. So here the sun, suppose this is the sun and this is a planet. The sun tries to pull planet towards itself. The sun tries to pull the planet towards itself. Gravity. But the planet tries to go away from the sun. Planet tries to go away from the sun. In recess, when you're fighting, yes, you try to pull your other friend towards you. But that friend tries to go away from you. Yes. So that is nothing but the gravity. It exerts, sun exerts a gravitational force on planet. And planet tries to move away from the sun. Okay. So due to these two forces, there are two forces. One force given by sun, another force given by planet. Force means push or pull. Push or pull is called a force. Okay. So this, and due to these two forces, the planet is moving around the sun in fixed orbit. In fixed orbit. This is planet, this is sun. So planet is moving around the sun in fixed orbit, proper orbit. Clear? Okay. Further is space missions. Now different scientists, different astronomers have studied about the space. So the mission means challenges, the different challenges in space. So first was Chandrayaan 1. First was Chandrayaan 1. Yeah, you can come here. Chandra means moon. And Yaan means a rocket or a machine. So Chandrayaan 1. It was launched on 22nd October 2008. And who launched that? ISRO. 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 ISRO means Indian Research Organization. Okay. ISRO means Indian Research Organization. Understood? Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO. Understood? This mission was to study about the moon. Study about the moon, Chandra. Yes. Second mission was Mangalyaan. Mangal means Mars. Mangal means Mars. Just read the planet Mars. Yes. So this mission was to study more about Mars. Here it was launched on 5th November 2013. And in these both missions there were no people on the spacecraft. It was just robotics. Okay? There were no people on this spacecraft. So it is called as unnamed. Clear? Next one, rockets. You play with rockets in Diwali, yes? It is packed with harmful chemical substances or explosive chemical substances. So it can go in certain direction. Yes, in particular direction. But the rockets or the spacecraft which are going to send into space for these missions need lot of power. A lot of fuel is burnt in them. Okay. Now we study about Indian astronauts. Okay. Indian astronauts. Astronaut means a person who studies about the space. Okay. So first Indian astronaut was Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was first Indian astronaut. Yes. He went in space in the year 1984. He went in space in the year 1984. He stayed there for 8 days. How many days he stayed? 8 days. Then two organizations, that is two societies or two companies or two organizations together came, which were there, ISRO and Soviet Intercosmos. These two organizations, two groups together came and studied about the space, Indian astronauts. Okay, and next part is man-made satellites. Satellites which are made by man. Basically, they provide us information about agriculture, environment, weather. Understood? It is also used for communication. The serials which we see on the TV, the cartoons which we see on the TV is due to satellites. Okay. And the moon is natural satellite of the earth. And these man-made satellites can stay for several years, many years in the space. Clear? Okay, we'll take a quick recap. Gravity. The sun tries to pull the planet towards itself, and planet tries to go away from the sun. That is, it exerts gravitational pull. Okay. So as a result of these two forces, planets move in fixed path around the sun. Yes? Okay. Next is space. What is space? The empty region between planets and stars. There is a blank space between planet and stars. Remaining space. Okay, remaining space. In Marathi we say जागा. थोडी जागा राहिलेली असते. कशामध्ये? Stars आणि planets. So that emptiness is called as space. Next we studied about space missions. First is Chandrayaan. It is used to study about moon. It was launched on 22nd October 2008 and was launched by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Second was Mangalyaan. It was made to study about Mars. Yes, it was launched on November 5th November 2013. And both these missions, there were no human beings on the spacecraft. Next, rockets. In Diwali rockets, there are a lot of chemical substances packed so that can go in certain direction. But the rockets which are going to be sent for space missions and going to send in space, they need high amount of energy. The high amount of fuel needs to be burnt. Next, Indian astronaut Rakesh Sharma. He was the first Indian astronaut to go in space in 1984. Yes? He lived there for 8 days. And this mission was carried out by two groups, that is ISRO and Soviet Intercosmos. ISRO full form is Indian Space Research Organization. Repeat after me. Yes, repeat after me. Indian Space Research Organization. Understood? Indian Space Research Organization. Next is man-made satellites. These satellites are made by man. They are not natural. Okay. So man-made satellites provides us information about environment, agriculture, weather, minerals. Okay. Yes. It is also used for communication. The things or the serials, cartoons which we see on TV, the shows which we see on TV are due to satellites. Okay, and these man-made satellites can stay in the space for many years. Many years it can stay for in space. Understood this topic? With this we conclude here our first topic of EVS 1. Just take a quick recap. And if any doubts are there, you can contact me. I will clear your doubts. Jot down the important points. And in next video, we will meet with next subject. Till then, enjoy this video. Thank you and take a quick recap.